Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download songs with Chrome on your phone. Now, whether you have an iPhone or an Android and you wanted to download copyright-free songs, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let's open up Google Chrome, again, on your iPhone or Android. Tap on the search bar, and I would recommend searching for royalty-free music. This allows you to see copyright-free music. If you scroll down, a big result and the number one result is Pixabay royalty-free music download. Just tap on that. You can see I'm in the music section, royalty-free music, and if I scroll down, it says over 230,000 free songs. So on any of these, to see if I like it, I can press the play button and see if it sounds good. And if I do want to download that, all I need to do is tap on the little down arrow to the right. I find it on the iPhone, you need to kind of tap it a couple times. And then at the bottom there, you can see save. Let's tap the save button. And it will either allow us to save it into the Files app or Google Drive. Let's say the Files app and tap save. After we've done that, you can see it will save that into the Files app. I can find it from the Files app by swiping my finger down and then typing in Files and tapping on that. Now, if it's in a different section, you can tap on Browse at the bottom right. Just tap it a couple times until you get to this screen. And next we're going to tap on my iPhone. This is everything that has been downloaded onto your iPhone, and it's usually in the Chrome folder. So tap on Chrome here. And there is the song that I just downloaded. I can tap on it to rename it or tap on it to listen to it by tapping play. I can also tap on the share button at the bottom right, and I can choose to send this as a text message. I can airdrop it. I can email it. I can also use it as a ringtone directly on my iPhone and go through and send it through WhatsApp, Messenger, all of these other apps. I can use that new song that I just downloaded onto my iPhone or Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that video. Thanks, guys.